you that these two I have given here some condition. Now this one without condition I want to see in a descending order. See the things, all the name based on the surname, S name I have done. So all the name come in a descending order, isn't it? See here, V, then S, then R, then N, then D, then B, then A, descending order. Now this one, if you want to do in ascending order, suppose here I haven't written anything. So if you didn't wrote anything, that means it will treat it in ascending order. So ascending order, just presses it. The previous one, see the difference. Previous one V and ended with A. See here, A ended with V, isn't it? So this is an ordered by clause. This clause is known as ordered by clause. Ordered by what? Based on what you want to order. Okay, based on what you want to arrange them, alphabetical order. So based on the name, you can arrange on other also, you can arrange on city also, you can arrange on blood group also, anything, any criteria you can arrange them. So I have done it based on name. Clear? So based on name I have done it, and this one also in base of name. So what we find is that this is ordered by what? Descending order. That means I have specified the order what it has been created. See here, ordered by descending order. Okay. Next I am going to the next option. Answer. See here, I want to see where they are the blood group is A positive. So when blood group is A positive, that means this is the way only those person will come. So I want to see those field or those columns from the table of STU1 where blood group is A positive. So only A positive blood group came here. Okay. So next one you say I have given here date of birth. Next condition, date of birth. Date of birth is what? On this range 2010-0101. So 2010-0101, who are those persons who are all greater than all this? So these are the values which are greater than. Okay, based on this particular thing it has been came. Now say equals to, date of birth equals to, suppose 2010, then year is 01 and date is 01. Okay, so if anything is there, empty set. Why? Because there is no value exists on this particular day. Okay, so this is what you can see on it. Next you see it that date of birth between clause, where clause and between clause, and clause, three clause I have combined here, where date of birth between this and this. So this and this. Okay, so this and this you see it, this is the particular criteria, date of birth in between this range, the students who are there, their name has came. Okay, so this is how you will going to do it. Now see, those who are reading not in Kolkata, this is means not in. Okay, not in Kolkata, that means the person, those who are not staying at Kolkata, their name came along with their city and name. Okay, next what? Those who are staying at Kolkata, that means persons, those who are staying at Calcutta, I want to see their SID, name, class, city. Those who are staying, that means city equals to Kolkata, and city is greater than less than sign means not equals to Kolkata. Okay, so this is how, like clause, class equals to 5, like 5, like 5 means those who are studying at class 5. So another thing equals to 5, same thing, it will going to do the same one. Like clause equals to clause will execute the same. So if it is asked you use with a like clause, you can use the like clause, or without the equal to clause also you can use them. Okay, so this is how you can do the particular thing. Now I want to see all the students. Okay, see here, all the student names are there executed here. So this is how all the clauses here what I have shown to you, this all the clauses that I have shown to you here, every clause I have executed and I have shown to you. And clause, between clause, whereby clause, then date of not equals to clause, isn't it? In the city I have used it, in the date of birth you can use not equals to clause, then greater than clause, less than clause, every clauses has been used there, and we are going to I have shown you all this where clause and like clause equals to clause, isn't it? So this is how you can do, you can use those clauses and you can implement it. Okay, the next one that is what?